Hey guys, I'm Strykar. If you don't know me, welcome to my channel, and don't be afraid to subscribe below before you leave. But in this video, of course, I'm going to show you this look, which I am obsessed with. It turned out so great. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it is pretty easy for you to pick up on. If not, don't be afraid to, you know, count some stuff out or whatever. But let's just jump into the video. This is not good. So since this is a Valentine's Day tutorial, I'm going to do a full face, and of course I'm going to start with my eyebrows. And for today, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I use the shade Ash Brown. For primer or like a base in general, I'm going to go ahead and use my Plouise base. I'm just going to squeeze this straight onto my eyes, and this is my first time using this stuff. But I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna start out with that much because I feel like you really don't need a whole lot. I can already start to see how matte this base truly is, and I'm loving it. I think I picked the perfect shade too. I went with 0.5. A lot of people use shade 2, and a lot of the times on Plouise's Instagram I see them using shade 2 like often for like my skin color, but I'm glad I went with the 0.5. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and dive into the Plouise eyeshadow palette. So I kept it in the box because I haven't swatched it and I haven't even touched it yet. I only looked at it whenever it first came in. So if I can get it open. Okay, so when you open it up, the mirror is beautiful and very cute and fancy. And then it just says, first impressions can be deceiving. Okay, it's giant. I mean, look at the size of these shadows. I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark, and I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna pre-highlight in here as well. I'm gonna go ahead in with Fling first. Sometimes shades can like kind of switch up on you once you have them on your eye, but this shade in particular looks amazing both palette and on my eye, and it looks the same. You know what, we're gonna warm it up a little bit. We're gonna do a little taste of reds and purples. I want to go ahead in with Velvet Kiss. What a great name. Hoping that that red and this brown have a really nice blend together, I'm just gonna go in with the same brush. Like, look at this on my brush. Next, with a different brush, I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Obsession. We're gonna go ahead in with the shade In Lust. Now I'm just taking a little bit of that base and cleaning up around my brow. Right where I kind of feel like I took it a little too high. I'm just gonna use a very flat, skinny brush, you know, to cut my crease with. Nice. I'm gonna take a little bit of Amore. Oh my god, on the brush though, that's a lot of pigment. I want to go ahead back in and like re-carve out my crease because I was just envisioning those pinks to be like a whitey pink. Right now I'm trying to make the decision if I want to leave it matte or kind of add some glitter. It's Valentine's Day, sis! I might do like liner, although I don't have pink liner. I would just do like glitter glue and then my glitter. I don't know. I'm going to use my Hard Candy glitter palette. This is a Glitterazzi palette. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just use this pretty pink. For glitter glue, I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX glitter primer. Okay, so glue first. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I just find it's like the easiest to work with that way. And I'm just going to line the line of my crease, and we're going to go ahead and add sparkles there. Okay, so my camera just like stopped recording. I don't know where I left off on, but I do have both of my eyes glittered up now, and I think I just drew it a little bit too thick, but I mean, that's okay. I'm just gonna work with it. And next I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing. I just have to find my eyeliner. But I did want to tell you guys I have a lookbook video on the way and I'm so excited to post it. I'm just like finishing up editing it and whatnot, and I don't know, it'll be out shortly, and it's a little funny because it looks like I'm in every season throughout the video because the weather changes so frequently here. Like one day it's 32, the next day it's 50, the next day it's like -2, then it's 12. Okay, I'm just gonna let this one dry and of course get that other eyelash on the other eye. Well, right now we're gonna move on to my face, then I'm gonna go back to my eyes and just kind of complete underneath and whatnot. I just rather have my face done first. I am going to prime my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Next I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lumi Illuminator Glow stuff. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my cheeks and like certain places where I would regular highlight. It's just gonna really add some pizzazz to your Valentine's Day look, especially because this one has like a really nice pink undertone like. We're gonna go ahead and conceal first. That's just kind of what I've been doing lately. Whenever I do my face, I just conceal beforehand. I don't know. I found it works better because then there's really no line and I don't have any flashback. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. You know the deal. I just went and wet my beauty blender as well, so it's nice and damp and ready to blend. So I am using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it right on there. This is only like my second time using it, and the first time I used it, I wish I would have put a little more. So that probably looks good. We'll see where that takes us. I'm gonna use the same beauty blender. With this foundation, they have every shade, I swear. Especially if you're yellow pigmented or if you have pink in your skin, whatever it is, they have a foundation for you. So I'm just blending it all out for flawless coverage. And I am using the shade, 1.1. And I think I got matched pretty well. For my contour, my NYX contour stick broke like in the cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this brush in it. And we are just gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks and my nose. I'm using my Fit Me setting powder. Okay, I'm going to bronze it up a bit with my Tarte bronzer. I'm gonna move on to my blush. I'm using my Pixie by Petra, what is this? Beach Rose. Now this is like a really subtle blush, but you can't do Valentine's Day without blush. Especially with pink on my eyes. I feel like a doll. For underneath my eyes, I want to take, so I'm going to start out with Velvet Kiss on the outer corner, and then I'm going to work into Infatuation, which is this pretty pink, and then I'm going to blend it into the S&M. Okay. Now we are going to highlight with the shade Spark from Morphe, and I used this earlier underneath my brow bone. This highlighter is really beautiful and it has like a little pink tint to it, so that's why I thought we would go with that one for today. We are going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to use my contour lip liner pencil by Ulta, and this is in the shade Chocolate. For my overall lip color, I'm going to go ahead and with my Melted Latex by Too Faced, and this is in the shade Safe Word. And to finish up, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't be afraid to like and subscribe while you're here, and I will catch you guys next time.